Hey everybody, it's Brianna with WTI, and this is the Sonicgrace S3 battery strap for the MetaQuest. My favorite part about this battery head strap is how easy it is to use. So it's adjustable to any head size. Just remove the battery and then you have a turn knob underneath that will either make the head strap bigger or smaller depending on the size of your head. So I love that even if you have a child playing, you can make it smaller to fit them as well. Then once you have it adjusted to your head, you just snap on the battery. It's as easy as that. Here you can see the differences between the original strap that comes with the MetaQuest and the Sonicgrace S3 strap. It has the counterbalance in the front and the back, so it actually feels very lightweight. And you have that super squishy band on the top, as well as a rubber head cradle in the back. So if you want to upgrade your gaming experience with a comfortable head strap and a long-lasting battery, then this Sonicgrace S3 Pro battery strap is the one for you. And that's my point of view.